From vision to story.
Before language, before religion, before civilization, humanity searched for one thing: freedom from inner suffering.
Stress, fear,
Loss.
confusion. The human nervous system carries invisible burdens every day.
For thousands of years, this sacred mantra has been recited as a prayer of surrender, healing, and inner peace.
The mantra invokes the universal consciousness, that which exists within every living being. Research on chanting and repetitive prayer shows measurable calming effects on the nervous system. Breathing slows, attention stabilizes, mental noise reduces. Across civilizations, repetitive sacred sound has been used to regulate emotion, improve focus, and create collective harmony.
Govindaya Namo Namah.
Krishna represents more than a historical figure. He symbolizes wisdom, balance, joy, and the intelligence that guides consciousness. In yogic philosophy, klesha means the mental afflictions that create suffering: fear, ego, attachment, and confusion.
Practices involving surrender, trust, and devotion may reduce excessive mental rumination, one of the major drivers of chronic stress.
Many ancient temples were designed with acoustic precision, enhancing resonance, collective chanting, and immersive meditative states. Healing does not always begin with medicine. Sometimes it begins with stillness, breath, meaning, and sound.
Humanity has always used sacred sound to connect the mind, the body, and something greater than itself.
Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namah.
Perhaps the greatest technology humanity ever discovered was not outside us but within consciousness itself.
Krishnaya Vasudevaya Haraye Paramatmane Pranatah Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namah.